Hey everyone, here's my video on reviewing how to convert a decimal to a fraction. This is probably one of the easier things that we kind of forget how to do. So from class, we said that to convert a decimal to a fraction, we say the decimal number, we write down what we hear, and if we can, we're going to reduce it. Or in other words, we're going to simplify it. So let's take a look at our first example, 8/10. So I say this as 8/10. So I'm going to write what I hear as a fraction, 8/10. Ooh. Okay, 8/10, 8/10. So I said it, I wrote what I heard, and now I got to try to reduce it or simplify it. So we can divide this. A common factor between 8 and 10 is 2. So when I do that, 8 divided by 2 gives me 4, and 10 divided by 2 gives me 5. Okay, so 8/10 is equivalent to 4/5 because we can't simplify that any further. All right, let's take a look at the next one. It's a different case scenario. So we're going to say this number and write down what we hear. So we say this as, let me erase this super quick, 2 and 15/100. So 2 is my large number, 2 and 15/100. So I said it, I wrote it, now let's simplify it. And when we simplify something, we are going to divide 15 and 100 by a common factor. Okay? We are not dividing our whole number. Our fraction value is not changing, we're just making it more simple. Okay, so my 2 remains the same all throughout my conversion. Okay, so 15 divided by 5 gives me 3, and 100 divided by 5. We can think about how many times does a dollar get split up into nickels, or how many nickels make a dollar. We know that 20 nickels make a dollar, so here's 20. So 2 and 15/100 is equivalent to 2 and 3/20. All right, let's move on to the last example. This is read as 6/1000. So I'm going to write what I hear, 6/1000. So we said it, we wrote it. Now let's reduce it or simplify it. A common factor here is 2. So 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. And if I cover up these last two digits, my zeros, this helps me. How many times is 10? What is 10 divided by 2? Well, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 100 divided by 2 should give me 50, and 1,000 divided by 2 should give me 500. Okay. There's no common factors between 3 and 500, so that is my simplified answer. Thanks for watching my review video on converting a decimal to a fraction.